Have you ever found yourself in a situation where the woman you care about suddenly seems distant or unresponsive? What to do when a woman ignores you? Welcome back to my channel, Life You Dream in Actions. In this channel, we learn about self-improvement, relationships, financial success, and more. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us have experienced at some point in our relationships. What to do when a woman ignores you, whether it's due to misunderstanding, stress, or other reasons. Knowing how to navigate such scenarios is essential for maintaining a healthy relationship. I end this video, we will explore effective strategies and insights on how to respond and reconnect when a woman seems to pull away, helping you to communicate better and strengthen your bond. Here are 5 steps to help you handle the situation appropriately. Step 1 is to reflect on recent interactions. Ask yourself, have there been any changes in your relationship? Did you have disagreement or miscommunication? Recognizing any potential triggers can provide insight into her behavior. Make note of how she's been acting lately. Has there been a shift? Understanding your own role in the relationship can provide insight too. Moving to step 2, give her space. When someone is quiet or withdrawn, it's crucial to respect their boundaries. Sometimes, people need time to process their thoughts and emotions. Allow her some space for a few days without overthinking it. This will show that you respect her feelings and can also give both of you time to sort things out before jumping to conclusions. Step 3 is about gentle engagement. After giving her some time, reach out in a non-confrontational manner. A simple message like, "Hey, I've noticed that you seem a bit distant lately. I'm here if you want to talk," can make all the difference. It opens the door for communication without putting pressure on her. Remember to be patient. She may need time to open up. If she open up, ask open-ended questions to understand her feelings. This brings us to step 4, listen actively, without interrupting. Sometimes, the best way to support someone is simply to be there for them. Offer your understanding about the situation. If there is anything to be rectified on your side, work on it, and she has to work on her part too if there is any fault. This can help strengthen your bond. Step 5, communicate your feelings. If the situation doesn't improve, it's important to express how her behavior affects your relationship. Give the fact that any relationship survive on openness and understanding. If we don't talk, we risk making wrong assumptions and letting something valuable slip away. It's important to note that every relationship is different, and sometimes external factors can impact how we engage. If you find that this pattern continues, it may be worth evaluating the relationship's overall health. Are both partners contributing equally? Are there underlying issues that need addressing? In closing, being ignored can be tough, but it doesn't always signal the end of a relationship. By reflecting, giving space, engaging gently, listening actively, and communicating your feelings, you can navigate this challenging situation with care and understanding. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more relationship advice. Let's create a community where we can learn from each other. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.